Did you know a single stray cat once saved an entire company from falling apart? When Luna wandered into the office during their biggest crisis, employees were barely speaking to each other. Bitter arguments had turned coworkers into enemies. But Luna didn't see the tension. She simply walked from desk to desk, purring and nuzzling anyone who looked stressed. Something magical happened. People started smiling, then talking, then working together again. Luna showed them that healing doesn't come from fixing everything. It comes from showing up with love. Sometimes the smallest hearts teach the biggest lessons.